welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. Okay guys, my face is freshly washed. I'm just going to use this Prep and Prime by M.A.C Cosmetics. You know, apply that all over my face. For my brows, I like to use the setting powder. You know, that way the brows stay longer, they look good. I'm just gonna line my eyebrows and, you know, fill them in real quick. For cleaning my brows, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. To set my eyebrows, guys, I'm using this CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow, you know, gel. So I'm just going to use Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow base. You know, apply that on my lids with my finger, blend it all over. Okay, so I'll be using this Essentials shadow. This is so cute. I've been using this a lot. Look at this, the colors are nice and pigmented, guys. So I love this palette. Okay, so I'm gonna do a combination of these two colors right here for my crease. I love the combination of these two colors, guys. When I apply this, you know, blend them good because they turn out into a little nice, you know, pinkish color. Okay, so I'm gonna do this little dusty rose, just a little subtle pink. You know, I don't wanna go va-va-voom. I'm trying to stay neutral. I'm just gonna use my fluffy brush and just, you know, blend everything out. So we don't have like harsh lines or anything like that. Okay, I'm gonna be using my Better Than Sex liquid liner. Alright guys, today I'm going to be using these lashes by Aretha, my girl from Malawi. I'll put her information in the description below. I like the travel bag, it's really cute. So yeah, so check my girl out, guys. And they come two in a pack, so I'm using one of those. So I'm just going to be applying some concealer, you know, on my dark spots, like that. Put concealer on my mouth, you know. For my foundation, guys, I'm using the same technique as my previous video. Check my video out, guys. Check my previous video. And I'm using this Pecan and Butterscotch concealer. That's Too Faced, guys. Blend this together for a full, nice coverage. Okay, so that's what I've been doing nowadays. And you know, I'm going to be using the eraser for my highlight. just going to be using my NYX in the color Mocha for my contour, guys. A little bit over here too. Yeah, so I'm just using my damp beauty blender and, you know, just blending everything out. I like to go in with my, you know, my brush. And you know, to bake this face, I'm using this Sacha Buttercup setting powder. You know, we're baking this face, okay? Anybody who hasn't tried this Buttercup, honey, please do. Just gonna go back with my essentials and just gonna go in on my waterline, you know. I want it a little bit, you know, darker, so I'm just gonna go in with the cinnamon, you know, and just blend everything out, you know, on my waterline, guys. Every time you put something under your eyes pop. Just a little bit of the gold in my inner corners right here, guys, just like that, just a little bit, okay? And then I'm gonna use my Too Faced Apricot in the Act Duo. I like the color, it's really nice and pinkish. So I'm just gonna take that, you know, and apply that on my cheekbone. Use the same palette for the highlight and apply that, you know. Just gonna get my mascara and apply this on my bottom lashes. And then I'll just use it again on my top lashes just to blend with my falsies, you know, my Aretha. We cannot forget to set this face. I'm gonna be using a darker lip liner, guys. Be using lipstick, you know, from Raine. I love this lipstick. You guys already know. This is like my go-to everyday work kind of, you know, lipstick. And I'm going in with the Sugar lipstick, you know, Sugar from Raine as well. Just a little bit on the middle right there, just to, you know, va-va-voom the look. Keep it real cute, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.